bago ang game. At green team ka rin pala bukas, di ba?
Yes, go green! Kahit tomorrow for volleyball. And siya tonight, after gandang ka-revise. And syempre green team din ako for tonight.
Kim, anong feeling ng maging kapamilya and part of the 60 years of ABS-CBN na talaga namang nag-build sa'yo bilang isang bituin?
Of course, it's such an honor to be a kapamilya and nakaka-proud to be part of this 60 years event.
Yan. Ayan si Kim, Sue, Boom, and TJ. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Gretchen. I'm sure tuwag-tuwa yung mga fans. Picture na nakapanayam. At nakahabol pa siya dito. Oo. Papaka-32. Oo nga. Yung sabi. Oo, sayang. So, this is pretty much stuck in the empty breath. Stopping out the game on the out. Final score on both ends of the court. Talagang hindi lang yung pagpupunta sila. Kasi sa depensa, talagang pinag-waiting ka rin talagang depensa. Playing coach Jared Anderson, nagpunta na siya sa mga executives ng ABS-CBN. Buwabati na, may in-the-back na ito nga. What a game he's played. He doesn't care about the score, TJ. Talagang atake na sa atake. Every possession, talagang hinahanapan niya ng paraan na makalapit sa basket. 45 seconds remaining. 56-34. That's Arjo Atayde. Pumasok na, umatake, wala. May kasama rin siya itong talbog ng bola dito sa tigre. Paul Salas, practicing at rim. 16 on their shot clock, tumira ng malayo. Tigna, dalawa na yun, ha? Oo, parehong puntik-puntik na pumasok ng malayo rin. James Blanco, inuubos na ang oras dito. 5 seconds remaining. They go out to Arjo Atayde. May oras pa. Uweke pa. Sayang. So there we have it, ladies and gentlemen. The Kapamilya All-Star Basketball Game won by Team Red. Kapamilya Red. 58-34. That's what those say, wire-to-wire win the whole game through. Intense na intense itong Team Red. Hindi sila bumitaw. Okay, time out muna tayo. Commercial break. At babalik tayo dito sa ABS-CBN for our award.